Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Abhay, joined by
Anindita.
So today we are going to start a new series of the
Yes.
movie Bhagavati.
Yes, so we have the Talapati Vijay sir and Vadivuru sir combo in this movie. So earlier we have I think created a poll and asked you guys like, do you want to see this movies in reaction? You guys told yes. Like we got the maximum vote for this movie Bhagavati. But that time after that we got copyright strikes and you know the story is history.
Unfortunately, we were not able to do
We were
it,
not
right?
able to do it and even we took time also not to do because movie scenes के
Because-
ऊपर ही ज़्यादा copyright strikes वगैरह आने लग
And
जाते
this
हैं.
is one of the risky movie.
One of the risky movie and also our channel is very risky. I don't know. People always like put copyright strike on our channel only. I don't know how why, not sure. Okay, so let's get started. फिर से risk ले रहे हैं because we want to see this movie and really want to share our reaction with you guys. Okay, so let's get started. But उससे पहले if you're new to this channel, please subscribe channel guys and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes, and also please follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
Yes.
हिलाइए तलपति. भागवती. भागवती.
Okay. This is Chennai. Bit different,
शायद.
right?
पूरा देख के लग रहा है ठंडा ठंडा वेदर है राइट. हाँ वैसे भी है क्या?
பகவதி காலை 9 மணி போலீஸ்
इसका नाम भगवती है.
பதனே பதனே பதனே
Black, mask.
என்னையா
பகவதி வராரு.
வணக்கம் சார்.
பதனே 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 சார் பதனே சாப்பிடுறீங்களா சார்?
வேணாம் வேணாம் போயா.
பதனே 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 பதனே
ओ
பதனே சாப்பிடுறீங்களா?
बॉम्ब बॉम्ब
பதனே
उसके उसके गांठ गाड़ी के नीचे लगता है शायद ना.
சார் கண்டிஷன் பெல்ல இருக்கிற கைதிங்க காலையும் மாலையும் ஸ்டேஷன்ல வந்து கையெழுத்து போடணுங்கிறது சட்டம். நீங்க சம்மதிச்சா நாங்களே நீங்க இருக்க இடத்துக்கு வந்து
பகவதி சரியானது மட்டும்தான் செய்வான். சட்டம்
Yes.
சட்டப்படிதான் நடக்கணும்.
जी है.
சொன்னா கேளு. வேண்டாம் பகவதி, ஏதாவது ஆயிட போகுது.
சாவை கண்டு நான் பயப்பட மாட்டேன் கங்கா. சாவுதான் என்ன கண்டு பயப்படணும். ஆனா எதுவுமே தெரியாம என்ன நடக்குதுன்னு வேடிக்கை பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கான் பாரு.
சீக்கிரம் போயா.
பின்னாலே ஃபாலோ பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கான். உடனே கிளம்பி வா.
यार बचेगा मतलब ये तो बात इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल.
There is no.
Super. पुलिस भी आ गया.
வேணாம் வேணாம்.
அடுத்த உயிர் எடுக்கணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறவன் முதல்ல தான் உயிர் மேல ஆசைப்படக்கூடாது. போ போய் சொல்லு பகவதி பத்திரமா இருக்கான்னு போய் சொல்லு. ஆனா உன்னை அனுப்புனானே அவனை பத்திரமா இருக்க சொல்லு.
Intro scene of Bhagavati movie. Mainly Vijay sir's intro scene. Now Vadivellu sir's intro बाकी है अभी क्योंकि वो भी एक धमाका होगा. Actually
This is the
previously we
intro
thought
scene and it started with full on action.
full on action. We thought of doing only the comedy scenes of this movie Bhagavati because that is very famous. But we thought, okay, this is a very super hit movie. You guys only have suggested, okay, why don't you give the full on reaction on this
Right.
movie? That is why we have decided, and this is we are not regretting now.
Right.
This is
And
looking
this
very
is
promising.
a intro scene, so this is a short video for
Yeah.
you guys also.
Yes.
And of course, from next time, mostly we will cover the maximum part, right?
Yes, yes. Short means like I just want to like we just want to give the reaction on the intro part only.
Yes.
So this is the intro, full on action and the appearance of our Talapati. Okay, so he is looking damn handsome first of all and
Serious
very
kind he is
much
looking, right?
suitable for this
Silent and
role.
serious.
He is
Aggressive.
the higher post का पुलिस कमिश्नर नहीं है, मतलब पुलिस ऑफिसर में भी
Is it?
मतलब होता है ना जैसे कि सिविल ड्रेस में जो लोग रहते हैं ऐसा
I
टाइप का
don't
ही
think
ना. वो
he's
लोग
not
आके
a
बोल रहे थे कि
police,
don't
right?
do this, you may get hurt, and he was doing that bomb
No, but
defusing.
I don't think he is police. He is something a higher level
High level,
guy, right?
हाँ,
Either
पता नहीं क्या
big
post.
respectable person of
हाँ.
a city, town, or
Yes.
something.
हाँ,
And we'll
that
get
is
to
why
know in
the
the
goons are
latter
there.
part, right?
हाँ, goons are behind him. So some story would be there behind, I think. And in this movie, some of the scenes were like I have seen like in जब हम scroll up down करते हैं ना YouTube में, तब देखे कोई गांव का सीन भी है जहाँ पे थोड़ा मतलब कॉमेडी सीन्स वगैरह है, तो मे बी कुछ स्टोरी होगा इनका लाइफ का, राइट?
Yeah.
So that would be there.
And
So
why he is in the police station to sign, right?
And why that person is like giving him the supari of this person to kill him,
Something,
right? That is
something will
also
be
is
there because maybe
very
this
great start.
maybe this movie is starting from the end,
हो सकता
right?
है, वो भी हो
Already
सकता है.
story has completed, and
Yes.
then from that person it is started, and then there will be some flashback scene,
Correct,
and
correct.
we'll know the context, each and every context.
Very, very, very true. Actually, I don't know, guys, about you, but yes, we really love this fact that we just completely sit down for watching a video with our blank mind. That is very good, actually, because we don't know anything. Then we are, discovering a lot more things, and our mind is, getting full, and we can speak up. बहुत लोग ऐसा करते हैं, पहले context देख के आते हैं, उसमें मुझे लगता है मजा नहीं आता, right?
Exactly,
मतलब that is what we
because
think.
it will stop your mind of out of thinking,
out of
right? Because
thinking.
you will think like, okay, after this
इसके
that
बाद तो ये
scene will
होगा.
be there, so
Context
we'll
तो पता
not
है.
judge much. So
Yes.
we are surprised by seeing lot of new things.
Very much, and really this movie is like seeming to be amazing movie. The starting is very मतलब cool, and I think मतलब जो ठक ठक करके जो आवाज हो रहा था ना, ऐसे ऐसे करके आवाज कर रहे थे, वो रजनीकांत सर का भी मूवी में होता है ना, ठक 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 करके आवाज. वो तो अलग ही बात है, वो अलग बात है. That is मतलब completely different thing actually. He is superhero. We can't even take him like judging and all. So yes, this is actually for today's video. Really enjoyed the intro scene. How you feel about this reaction, guys? Please let us know in the comment bar. If you love our reaction, please subscribe our channel, guys, and also click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.